So this is the question from O-level accounting, IGCSE 0452 or 7707 O-level accounting. And the topic is basically the expense or income account. Usually we don't find a full-fledged question of expense and income account, separate question in IGCSE or O-level accounting. But this question has come, and this has come in October, November 21, 23. This is an important question. October, November 21, 23. Let's discuss that. Krishma runs her own business. The balance in her books on 1st October included the following: insurance account 1700 prepaid, electricity account 1800 owing. Both the accounts are expense account, but insurance account will be prepared separately and electricity account is going to be prepared separately. Our financial year starts on 1st October 2020 and ends on 30th September 2021. Remember this. During the financial year ended 30th September 2021, Krishma made the following payments by check. Insurance payments 7 February and 13th August, 3400 and 3500. Electricity payments 14 October, 24 January and 26 May. A refund of 300 for insurance overpaid was received by bank transfer on 28th February. The insurance paid on 13th August covered a period of 5 months to 31st December 2021. At 30th September, an amount of 2000 was owing for electricity. So we have to prepare the insurance account and we have to balance the account and find the opening balance on 1st October 2021. Insurance and electricity account we have to prepare. So let's prepare that. I'll go with the insurance account first. So insurance account is basically an expense account. So I will open the expense account. You know that the format of the expense account, we have an idea about that what is going to be the format of the expense account. So we are having whatever is given in the question. Insurance account 1700 prepaid is given. So I will write it on the debit side. Prepaid 1700. There could be prepaid carried down also, but let's see in the next part of the question. Electricity will not take. Insurance payments 3400, 7th February, 13th August, 3500. Insurance to bank will come on the debit side. Bank and bank, both. You can write the dates, no doubt. 7th February, 3400 and 3500. I will write here 7 to 13 August, 13/8. And this is 3400 and 3500. And this basically is on 11020. Prepaid brought down is on 11020. Then at the end, a refund of 300 for insurance overpaid was received by bank transfer. So bank is debited, insurance is going to be credited at the end. So we'll write here 39. Bank will come. What is the amount? 300. 28th February. I'm sorry, the date is wrong. That is 28/2. And the amount is 300. Let's move forward. The insurance paid on 13th August covered a period of 5 months to 31st December. It means that this 13th August payment, which is made on 30th August 2021, 3500, it is for August, September, October, November, December, for 5 months. But our financial year ends on 30th September. So it means that out of 3500, which is for 5 months, August, September, October, November, December, our financial year covers only August and September, 2 months, August and September, because on 30th September, financial year will end. So it means that 3 months insurance out of 5 months is prepaid. So 3500 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 or 3 by 5, it is going to be 2100. So this 2100 insurance is basically the prepaid carried down, which is not given. So we are going to write it on our own. That prepaid carried down is 2100. And now I can find the profit and loss account figure, which is the balancing figure. So let's calculate that. Go for the total of the debit side. Subtract the credit side. What is the total of the debit side? I think 8600 is the total of the, and 8600 minus 2400, we will get the profit and loss figure. So this is how we'll go with the monthly calculation. Sometimes you find it difficult, but generally it is not that difficult. So profit and loss figure is 6,200. Always remember that you have to write the prepaid brought down also for the next year. Otherwise, there will be reduction of the marks. That is the on 1, 10, 21. Okay, so we are done with that. Now I'm going to prepare the electricity account. Let's prepare the electricity account. It is again an expense account. So certainly we believe that expense account is well. Expense account is somehow rather more easier than compared to our income account. So we prepare the electricity account. Let's see what is given. We have been given electricity owing 1800, owing means accrued, outstanding. It will come over here, owing brought down, and that is going to be 1800, and that is will be on 110. Let's go back. Owing electricity brought down is 1800 owing, and electricity payments are given 1800, 1800, 1800. So total is going to be 3600, but I will not write total. Why, sir? Because we have been given the dates. So you have to write the entry electricity to bank along with the dates, which is 14, 24, and 26. It will come over here, 14th October, 24 January, so 24, 1, 21, and the last one is on 26 May, 26, 5, 21. So I will write it with the name bank, though the amounts are same for all. Bank 1800. Again, I will write bank 1800. And again, I will write bank 1800. I can write the dollar sign also, though I missed. It doesn't matter. Write it for you again. Over here also. Dollar sign is a part of the game. Okay, now let's move forward. Then we have been given the owing carried down also at 30th September 2021, which is 2000 was owing for electricity. That is basically the owing carried down on 39/21, owing carried down, and the amount is 2100. Let me check it out. 2000, sorry. And now I can write the difference with the name profit and loss account. There is no prepaid brought down or prepaid carried down. Otherwise, I would have written it also. Because it is not given, that's why I didn't use that. So there is the total. And then I will go with the profit and loss account figure. So the total of the debit side is 7400. Okay. I will write here 7400. And I will write here 7400. And the difference you have told me that is 5600 is the will come with the name profit and loss account. Remember that we have to write the accrued owing brought down or the accrued brought down, one and the same thing, at the start of the next year, 2000. Otherwise, your marks will be directed, and that is on 1, 10, 22, whatever. So this is going to be the end of the question. So if you just look at the question, I think it's quite easy. So the insurance account is basically for how many marks? And 10 marks. 10 marks are quite enough for both the accounts. Krishna is considered